little bumpy. There's undeniable proof that we made it to the top. And it is like hell up here. I won't look the other way because the snow is blowing. Here's Melinda. She's ticked. She didn't like the hill.
It's too steep.
Too steep for her. I don't know if you can see it, but we were just up there. The lens is all wet.